Greetings everyone. Today we're gonna talk about our SMD 4.2 driver. Let's start with setting up the microstepping settings. SMD 4.2 Mini supports 4 different modes of microstepping. First of them is 1-to-1 ratio microstepping that gives us 200 steps per round. The second option, 1/2 of the step, gives us 400 steps per one round. 1/4 of a step gives us 800 steps per full rotation, and dividing each step 16 times gives us 3200 steps per one rotation. Experience shows that in most cases dividing each step into two is the optimal way, giving you the best possible rotation dynamics and torque. In order to activate this mode, we have to put the switch 1 into on position and switch number 2 into the off position. Everything is already done on this one. Switch number 3 regulates the position of enable signal, meaning when turned on there is no need of sending the enable signal, and when turned off an enable signal is needed for the driver start operating the motor. So we want to operate the driver without sending the enable signal, we have to leave the switch in on position. Switch number 4 is responsible for manual mode of the driver, turning on and off pulse generator built-in into SMD 4.2 Mini driver, meaning that when turned on it is possible to operate the driver without sending no step signals from outer sources. After choosing microstepping and other options on our driver, we can now plug it in the driver. The position of the shaft is gonna be fixed and gonna stay fixed until we send step and direction commands to the driver. Next step is operating in the driver mode. We connect the step signals to the step socket and directional signals to directional sockets accordingly. Now, when sending step and direction signals from an autocontroller, we will be able to control this stepper motor. Let us see how this motor is gonna handle a command for half a round with a max acceleration. Such type of control is usually used in dispensing units. Let us see how this motor is gonna handle a command for half a round with a max acceleration. Such type of control is usually used in dispensing units. Manual mode. In order to enter the driver into the manual mode, you have to switch the force switch into the on position. By doing that, you are activating the built-in pulse generator. As soon as we turn on the manual mode, the engine will start rotating. Let's turn on the power. Engine starts rotating. In order to change the rotation direction, we are going to need a direction signal. When a 5-volt signal is sent to the direction socket, the direction of the rotation changes. This way we can change the direction of rotation even in the manual mode. If the direction signal is not gonna be connected or sent, engine is gonna be rotating in only one way. For changing the speed of rotation, there is a special built-in potentiometer on the back of the driver. We recommend using a dielectric screwdriver in order to avoid short-circuiting the driver itself. In order to reach the slowest speed possible, please set the microstepping option to dividing each step 16 times and the potentiometer into the far left position. With these settings, the minimum speed is going to be approximately 1.3 rounds per minute and keeping it default torque. This sums up our short introduction of SMD 4.2 mini driver. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.